Hi, this is Karl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through my newest brokerage listing. It's a 2021 Scout 175 Sport Dorado. This boat has the white gel coat, full bow rail, anchor locker forward. We've got a bow cushion with casting platform beneath and storage locker beneath the casting platform. Forward of the consoles are two large chase lounges with storage beneath the seats. Backrests are integrated into the consoles. Windshield on both consoles with grab rail. Recessed cleats, midship and aft. The trailer is included with this boat. Bimini top, two captain's chairs, rear quarter seating with backrests. There's storage beneath both seats, in addition to your battery switch, battery, and fire extinguisher on the starboard side. Live well is beneath the port side. 61 hours on the 90 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha. Fusion Bluetooth speaker with 4 speakers in the boat, 2 in the cockpit, 2 in the bow. Three-blade stainless steel prop. Boat was kept on a lift here in Charleston. Swim ladder on the port side. Got a glove box on the port side console and storage beneath both consoles. The helm seats do swivel and slide, and a boat cover is also included with the boat. We've also got a Garmin unit, chart plotter, sonar mounted on top of the starboard side console. Again, this is Karl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our other listings, you can call me at 843-574-8289. That is my direct office line. You can also text that number or email me at karl.anderson@marinemax.com, and that's Karl with a K. Our store's address is 142 Sportsman's Island Drive off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. We're the big yellow building right off the highway. Thanks for watching. See you soon.